We are here with you with yet another launch event of RealMe Pakistan for the year 2020. My name is Ahsan Chauhan, the brand manager of RealMe Pakistan, and today we have brought to you the latest yet the trendiest device for the entry-level market. Yes, it is the launch event of RealMe C11. RealMe Pakistan has been awarded the youth's favorite smartphone brand by the famous tech publisher NetMag. This award exemplifies the spirit of RealMe as a young brand in Pakistan. Here is a big shout out for all the RealMe fans out there who have been following us on our social media platforms. RealMe's social media family has exceeded the collective amount of 500,000 this month. Social media is a great tool nowadays to engage with the audience and to collect the valuable feedback from the audience. Our latest launch, the flagship for the year 2020, RealMe X3 Super Zoom, is available nationwide. The device has been praised highly with the features like 120Hz ultra smooth display, 6 cameras in total, and the periscopic zoom camera. Our media has reviewed the device with an exceptional features with the price bracket of under 80,000. RealMe X3 Super Zoom featured a star hunting program. In this program, various photographers from all over Pakistan collaborated using X3 Super Zoom periscopic camera and starry mode to capture this amazing and breathtaking photos of the starry sky at night. And here I would also like to mention all the photography enthusiasts watching us live at the moment. Do follow RealMe Pakistan's designated account Short on RealMe Pakistan on Instagram, which caters many photos taken on RealMe smartphones exclusively. From the very beginning, RealMe has always dared to leap with the tech and the trend-setting technology for the youth. RealMe has a diverse product portfolio which caters many series, with the C series starting from the entry-level smartphones to the flagship and premium category of smartphones, the X series. While talking about the C series, we have launched 3 different smartphones from this series in Pakistan: the C1, the C2, and the latest C3. RealMe C3 was launched earlier this year at a grand event at University of Central Punjab, Lahore. This was a one-of-a-kind campus launch event specially coordinated by RealMe Pakistan. Further into the C series, the C2 with the large display, trendier design, and a better performance. Today we are bringing the successor of RealMe C2, which is the RealMe C11. Bigger battery, higher performance, and the trendiest design in any entry-level smartphone in the market. Here I would like to mention another global achievement. The total shipments of RealMe C series has exceeded 13 million units. These figures are taken collectively from the international markets of RealMe such as Asia, Europe, and Africa. More importantly, today is the new beginning of C series. Redefining the C series, C for colorful, cheerful, comparative, and considerate. Today we are bringing out the successor of RealMe C2, which is the all-new RealMe C11. I assure you, this new device is going to be the trendiest design in the entry-level market, with the bigger battery, higher performance, and the dual camera setup. C2 has been clearly successed by RealMe C11. You guys would also agree the trendier design comes out amazingly. Here is the first look of RealMe C11. The trendier design stand out for an entry-level smartphone.
RealMe C11, bigger battery, endless fun. RealMe smartphone, dare to leap.
Hello everyone, my name is Hamza Khan, the product manager of RealMe Pakistan. I believe that Essen has already shown you the design. So I'm going to ask you that how do you like it? I conducted an informal poll inside the office and everybody said that it is our best looking phone that we have yet. So this goes to show that no matter what the price point, we will always bring to you the best design that is possible. With the RealMe C11, we are bringing a flagship level design to an entry level phone. Talking about the colors, we have two new exciting colors, the pepper gray and the mint green. We love the flavor and the diversity that these two flavors bring to our food in our daily life, and we want to bring the same level of intensity to our designs as well. As you can see that the RealMe C11 features a different design as compared to the previous C series. This has been very hard to achieve and we have put in a lot of hard work to achieve this design. This has been achieved by using the latest technology, industry-leading German 5-axis precision engraving machine that polishes the phone for 300 minutes. 450 curves are engraved onto the surface of the phone to give it this shining look and texture that you can see and like. I believe that you will like the design of RealMe C11. The use of this technology makes the C11 more beautiful. It makes it resistant to scratches, falls and fingerprints. A band crosses at the back of RealMe C11 from top to bottom that contains the camera module and the bold RealMe logo that makes the overall design more classy and trendy. It has a square camera module that reflects the current trends that are there in the market at the moment. Two camera lenses, a flashlight and other camera features are discreetly located at the back of the phone around the edges and corners so that it gets a more premium design. It's up for debate that RealMe C11 is the best looking phone, but I can assure you it has the best and the most long lasting battery. The RealMe C11 gives you a phenomenal 40-day standby. This is beyond some flagship level phones that are out there in the market. RealMe C11 gives you a huge 5000 mAh battery that can give you unlimited usage as per your desire. You can talk, watch YouTube, listen to music, watch different kind of movies, play games and reach your favorite destination without having to worry about your battery life, because RealMe C11 has got you covered. The battery life of RealMe C11 will go beyond your expectations. Let's take some scenarios as example. The 5000 mAh high capacity battery can last longer. You can listen to 3400 songs, watch 40 movies. It gives you a 32 hours of phone call time and a 12.1 hours time to play your favorite games. RealMe C11 will not disappoint you no matter what your usage desire is. RealMe C11 also features reverse charging mode, with which you can charge your other phones, power bank or many other devices as per your convenience. Now let's move towards the display. The RealMe C11 features a large 6.5-inch HD Plus display. It has a dewdrop display that is 30.9% smaller than the previous generation. It gives you an 88% screen to body ratio. With 20:9 slender ratios, it will give you an immersive viewing experience whether you're playing games, watching your favorite movie or scrolling through social media. It basically makes more information fit into the screen. Thanks to the in-display structure, the screen is now lighter and thinner. An integrated eye protection protects your eyes from long-term usage so that your eyes do not strain if you're using your phone for a very long time. Trendy design, long-lasting battery and a big screen are enough to make the C11 stand out from the crowd. But that's not it. We have got more surprises under the hood. The RealMe C11 comes with the most powerful Helio G35 processor, making it one of the most substantial choices in this price segment. I assure you that it is going to be your best choice in this price segment. It's an 8-core 2.3 GHz processor. It also features ARM Cortex-A53, making it one of the most fastest solutions in this price segment. It is your ideal choice whether you are a regular smartphone user or a gamer. It can handle mid to heavy apps that we use in our daily life. Compared to the C2, the RealMe C11 gives you a 40.3% improvement from the previous generation. The RealMe C11 uses an LPDDR4X as compared to an LPDDR3, which gives you 20% graphic improvement and double the RAM improvement. This is huge in this price segment, I assure you. So it is without any doubt that the Antutu benchmark of RealMe C11 is much higher. One of its main characteristics that sets it apart from the competition is the dual rear camera. It has different features like the chroma boost mode, portrait mode, slow-mo video recording that you do not get in entry-level phones. So now let's talk about the camera setup in detail. It is a dual camera with a 13 megapixel primary lens and a 2 megapixel portrait lens that is ideal for all shooting scenarios. Thankfully, we have come prepared. Let's look at some sample shots. As you can see that the pictures taken from the 13 megapixel camera come out looking great. They are crisp, clear, and capture amazing amount of detail along with color saturation. So no matter what your shooting requirement is, RealMe C11 will not let you down, and it will be your best photography tool. Pictures taken from the RealMe C11 come out looking great not only in the daylight but also at night when you have less light and dark environment. This is possible only because we are bringing our popular nightscape mode to RealMe C11 as well. With the nightscape mode, this is going to be your best shooter in this price segment. The algorithm works in such a way that it takes different photos at different exposure levels and combines them together by picking out the best parts from each photo so that you get an amazing result at the end. In addition, the camera features some amazing new features like the HDR mode, which balances the details in the highlights and the shadows so that you have abundant detail and color to work with. Apart from that, it features 1080p video recording function, 90 frames per second slow-mo videos, 4x focus, and PDAF autofocus. Talking about the expandable memory, it can support an SD card up to 256 GBs so that you never run out of space. You can store your images, your videos, and your music. It also supports a dual SIM function so that you can enjoy better connectivity. We have made the RealMe C11 splash resistant. All the ports are tightly covered so that water does not get into it. Talking about the quality, we always strive to make better quality and provide you the best in class that is out there. And with the RealMe C11, it is going to be no different. RealMe C11 has gone through several testing phases. RealMe C11 has gone through 10,000 times drop test, 10,000 times USB plug and pull test, and 1 lakh times button test. But that's not it. Apart from all these tests, RealMe C11 has gone through several other testing procedures to ensure that what you get is certainly the best. And let's not forget, there's a front camera on the RealMe C11 for all you selfie lovers that features AI beautification and many other exciting new features. Now I would like to request SN Chauhan to come back on stage for the price reveal.
RealMe C11, the 6.5-inch massive display, 5000 mAh bigger battery, and the trendier design ever for an entry-level smartphone, is being offered at an amazing price of 16,999 rupees only. But wait, we have another amazing offer for you. RealMe C11 is being offered on flash sale exclusively on daraz.com. The flash sale price of RealMe C11 is 16,499 rupees. That's not it. Get 12 GBs free zone 4G data with RealMe C11. Life is all about moving forward despite all the hurdles. It is basically the hurdles that shapes us, defines us, and ultimately presents the better version of ourselves. But no matter where you are in life, never settle. Always want more and work for it. It is the hustle that encourages RealMe to bring out the amazing devices we have to offer for our users, and which results in the growth of RealMe as a brand. This is all for today's launch event. We will see you very soon with an amazing product on an amazing launch event. Till then, take care and bye-bye.
RealMe smartphone. Dare to leap.
Bigger the battery and this fun is what you asked for. With the energy and know you can do more. Feel the energy inside. Can you feel the energy inside? Just running through the night. Can you feel the
RealMe C11, bigger battery, endless fun.